travellers? In the heart of Sri Lanka's lush central hills lies a city woven with sacred legend, timeless tradition, and natural elegance. Welcome to Kandy, the island's spiritual and cultural capital, where the soul of Sri Lanka quietly beats beneath the surface of every stone, shrine, and smile. At the very centre of this ancient city stands one of Buddhism's most revered sites, the Temple of the Sacred Tooth Relic, known locally as Sri Dalada, Maligawa. It is believed to house a tooth of the Buddha himself, making it a place of global pilgrimage, spiritual power, and national pride. Each day, the temple pulses with prayer, drumming, and devotion. But once a year, Kandy becomes something else entirely. During the Esala Perahera, the city transforms into a living canvas of tradition, a breathtaking parade of elephants draped in gold, fire dancers, Kandyan drummers, and thousands of pilgrims in white. It's one of Asia's grandest festivals, a celebration of heritage that connects the past with the present in a glorious spectacle of light, rhythm, and faith. Surrounding the temple is the tranquil Kandy Lake, built by the last king of the Kandyan kingdom. Calm, reflective, and central to daily life, it is the beating heart of the city, where locals and travellers alike come to breathe, walk, and watch the world slow down. Just a few kilometres away, the Royal Botanical Gardens of Peradeniya unfold like a living painting. Home to over 4,000 species of plants, ancient banyan trees, and one of the most beautiful orchid collections in the world. These gardens are more than a place of beauty. They're a tribute to life, nature, and biodiversity. And from Kandy begins one of the world's most iconic train journeys, winding through misty hills, endless tea estates, and sun-dappled forests toward Ella and the deep highlands. The views from this train are not just scenic, they are soul-stirring. But beyond its temples and traditions, Kandy is a city alive with human warmth. Wander its streets and you'll find craft shops, cultural shows, vibrant street food, and people eager to share their stories. This is where ancient royalty met village simplicity, a place that still echoes with the footsteps of kings, but welcomes the curiosity of every traveller. So why do travellers fall in love with Kandy? Because it is more than a destination, it is an experience, a sanctuary of peace, a celebration of culture, and a reminder of what makes Sri Lanka so deeply, uniquely special. Kandy, where the spirit of a nation lives,